So I'm gonna be putting this jack on today. It has a wheel on the bottom, which makes it really nice for maneuvering when it's unhooked. And part of the reason I got this jack here is very limited on how it works. It doesn't have a lot of height, and with this new truck box system I got for my truck, when this trailer is hooked up to the truck, I can only pull my drawers out about 4 foot. So sometimes I'll need to unhook this trailer and just push it back a little bit if I need something in the front of the drawers that maybe a tool I don't normally use. I can climb in to the truck and pull the slider out and get to the front, but it might be nice just to be able to roll this thing back a little bit when I need to. This jack's been driving me crazy for a while. So we're gonna open this up, this big red jack here, and get this put on. I got this off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. This one is a single wheel and 1,000-pound capacity, and with this little trailer it should be plenty. They make a 2,000-pound capacity, I believe, and it has 2 wheels on it. I decided not to go that crazy. I don't want you getting into this box. We'll do it this way. Instructions, who needs those, right? So I'm going to start with the wheel assembly here. And I think these washers go in between. I'll check the instructions here in a second, but that's the only thing that makes sense. Has a lot of space in there. Okay, well that's kind of crappy. This nut with those washers in there, it really doesn't even get into the part that makes it so it doesn't come unscrewed. So I'm going to at least take one of those washers out because I want it to be so that it doesn't come off. That's right. Their bolt's not quite long enough. There we go. Now we're in there at least far enough the wheel can still spin, and we're onto those. It won't just come unscrewed. There we go. So guess we're not going to use that washer. So this handle goes on here. We're going to kind of assemble it most of the way so we can get a real feel for what it's going to be like before we mount it. I think this jack has 11 inches of travel, which should be plenty. There we go. Okay, so jack's pretty much together. How this mounts on there, these brackets go on the opposite side here, and then it just bolts on. So it should be really simple. So I'm going to pull this trailer closer to my truck so I can see how everything's going to line up. So the way this is right now, this jack, number one, where my spare tire is, this handle hits all the time, which is annoying. So we want the new jack to be up here more. That's where the trailer is pretty level. So we want the jack to raise it off that ball from that point on. So I'm going to take that jack off and see what we need to do. Another thing bad about this jack is it's pretty much all the way up, and it barely clears the ground. So we're going to get that out of here. I may have to cut this off, I don't know. So this is going to sit like this right here. I think it is going to miss my thing here, so I won't have to cut that off. Well guys, unfortunately these bolts are too long, so I'm going to have to get some shorter bolts. This is the only bolts it came with. So yeah, they're just about an inch too long, 1.5 inches too long. I can't tighten them down. Let me get you a measurement here. From head to into the thread, I need about 3 inch, and I got 4-inch bolts, or no, 4.5. Well, unfortunately, I don't have any bolts that will work for this right now, so I'm gonna go grab some. All right. We got some bolts to get this placed in the right spot. So we're going to use this jack at the moment to get us up to the height, because I unhooked the truck the other day. Yeah, I hate this jack. Bad placement. All right, let's see what we got. Yep, that'll work. So my initial plan was to mount this jack a little bit high so I could leave my hitch the same height that it was set at with the old jack. But once I got this mounted with these bushings on top and the jack was mounted up high like that, when I went to push it around, it actually twisted off of the frame of the trailer. So I'm just showing you what I tried at first. later I just dropped the jack down where it was supposed to be and adjusted my hitch a little bit. So I'm going to take this jack off now, and hopefully I can make it past that. I'm going to get a block for the front here so I can try it. All right. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut that off so that it doesn't get in the way. I might just adjust my hitch so that I can forget this mess and just tighten it right on the thing like it's supposed to be, because this is getting to be too big of a headache. Now, should be able to tighten up right on that beam. Sometimes. Off of this. Oh yeah. My hitch is just a little too low. One notch. Not exactly a boat, but it's a boat trailer jack.